Well, hello and welcome, sweet friends. It's Kim Odokoven, KRO Designs. I'm doing a quick little project here with my December setup using the Cocoa Daisy kit. Now, this one is called Cedar and Snow. It's by far one of my favorite December kits, and I should say it's not a Christmas kit because they do have those separately. This is more of a generic holiday December type of kit. Like last year, they did a whole bunch of snowman. That was super cute. But this year with Cedar and Snow is like a vintage vibe, super classic. And I decided to use my stationery kit to do these fantastic little pocket thing. I've always wanted to use vellum in a different way. You can always use it as a tip-in or as something different. But what I wanted to do is kind of make an interactive part of my planner, because I'm always trying to, make sure that my planner is very interesting all the time. So I like to do these interactive little things that aren't too fussy. So I took the planner kit papers, cut it to size for my standard traveler's notebook. And as you saw, I've been chitty chatty, but I did make some slits into that paper. And then I wrapped my vellum around it so it would be coming in and out of the slits. So on the back side, my intention was to create a pocket, and we'll get to that in a second. And then the front side just being an open space for journaling, note-taking, gifting, that sort of thing. So I'm just using this really cute washi. I loved this. And I really want to make it look like a present. So I thought this would work. I also did a door traveler's notebook cover for this month of December. And I thought, well, this could also double as a door if you wanted it to be. So here I am putting it back into, sliding it back and forth into that piece of paper. And now I'm like, well, it cut off. And I thought it would look better if I had it going all the way around. So I just put a little extra piece of washi tape there, so it looks like it went all around. Then on the back side, I loved these tags that came in the stationery kit, but I was like, why is that so thin? I think which one do I want? I was like previewing both of them, and then I was like, well, what the hey, let's just glue them together. They're a little thinner than I had remembered, so I like them super nice and thick and sturdy. So just put them together, and now I'm going to work on the inside. There's this really cool postcard, and I've done this before with the postcard. Well, I love the way paper is made. It's basically like the layers of a sandwich. And so when I took this postcard the last time, I think I did it in July, I did the same thing. I just kind of tore it in half, horizontally. I don't know how to describe that, but I ripped the two pieces of bread off and then cut it in half, and it fits perfectly in there. And it's a nice little way to use more of the paper when you like the back side, but you don't need the sturdiness of it. So I did put the adhesive on the cardstock and not on the postcard because it wouldn't stick because of the fibers with the adhesive that I was using. So now I'm just playing with a couple of those glitter stickers. I really love that stamp. I thought that was really cute, especially with the postcard. Now I'm working with a little twine. That's from my stash, but it looks great on the note card. And now it's time to zhuzh the front a little. That's the other side of the postcard. It's the winter. And I just fussy cut the winter out along with the trees on the bottom. I thought that would make a great little here I am trying to put it on the back side of the postcard. Okay, old habits die hard, right? And then I just trimmed it off, obviously, so it would fit a little bit better. I didn't need it to wrap around. And then trim the winter into kind of like, a half circle situation. And then afterwards, after I get it glued down, I realized that a little shadowing would help. So I do wish I had thought about the shadowing with the ink pad or even just a marker prior to sticking it down, but I get to that in a second. Now it's just a bunch of different stickers. There are so many beautiful stickers that come in this kit. I love the glitter stickers. I love all of the greenery. I mean, I'm a greenery sucker. I mean, who's not? But I wanted to kind of drip from the winter to kind of make it look like winter is a banner like hanging in a Hallmark movie across the center of town. And then there's these, you know, beautiful cedar fronds hanging from it. So that was the concept and the idea. But of course, I'm just filling in some of the spaces, creating just some layers as I move along with this bottom of the cover. Can't get enough stickers. And then of course, you've got a few of the stars. You could always put in a few snowflakes. I did a lot of snowflakes on one of my other covers, so I wanted to make sure I had enough just to put throughout my planner during the week. And here I am now realizing I needed to put a little shadow underneath it. So it's always fun to do it on the back side. Just a little gray marker creates a little bit of depth, and it's super easy. And that's just about it. I didn't do a final flip through, but I think you guys get the whole idea. Thanks for stopping, and happy December. Happy 2025 right around the corner.